In this video, I will show you how to control your LG Smart TV without the remote control. So if you misplaced your LG remote control, or for some reasons the remote control is not just working, this video is going to show you how to still control your LG Smart TV absolutely as though you still have the remote control with you. Now I'm going to be showing you two methods to still control your LG Smart TV without the remote control, and the first method is to simply go ahead and use the power button on the TV. Now this power button is usually found just below the LG logo at the center of the TV over here, and sometimes you might find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the TV. Now one thing you have to note is by pressing this power button once, you should be able to bring out the menu, and by long pressing on it, you're basically selecting any option it brings out for you. So basically what you want to do is to just go ahead and locate the button just below the LG logo over here and just press it once. And just like so, you're going to get all of these options for you to now be able to control your LG Smart TV without the remote control. So for instance, if I want to go ahead and increase the volume of my LG Smart TV, I'll just press on it, to navigate to the volume up button. And then to select the volume up, I'll just go ahead and long press on it, just like so. And now it has selected the volume up button. Now to increase the volume, I'll just go ahead and press on it, just like so. And now the volume of my LG Smart TV is now being increased. The same thing, to unselect this button, I'll go ahead and long press on it again, and now move over to the volume down button and then just long press on it again to select the button, and then continuously click on it to reduce the volume of my LG Smart TV. Now to unselect it again, I'll just go ahead and long press on it, and that way you can go ahead and turn on your LG Smart TV, turn it off, change the input field, or even change the programs on the TV by just using the power button on the LG Smart TV. Now obviously this is a very limited way to still control your LG Smart TV without the remote control, and that brings us to the second method to control your LG Smart TV, and that is basically using your phone. Now go ahead and bring out your phone, and then you just want to go over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, and then you want to go ahead and download and install the LG Thinq app, which is basically this app over here. So make sure you download and install it into your phone. Now it will ask you to turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, and you just want to go ahead and turn it on because it is going to be using Bluetooth to connect to your LG Smart TV. So go ahead and allow it to turn on Bluetooth. And once that is done, you just want to go ahead and click on add devices over here from the home, and then you want to go ahead and select TV, and you should be able to find all of the LG TVs you can actually connect to. You can literally see my LG Web OS Smart TV over here, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And now you want to enter the code that is being displayed on your TV over here inside of this input field. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, and after entering the code, you want to go ahead and click on OK, and automatically your phone will now be connected to your LG Smart TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on skip, and then just go ahead and select your TV and click on OK. And now you want to click on remote control over here, and basically you now have this cursor to simply navigate through any app on your LG Smart TV. So I can go ahead and just navigate through the app, and you can literally see my cursor on the TV just like so. And that is basically how to control your LG Smart TV without the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.